Hello everyone, so this is the hairstyle I decided to wear today, and this is actually the last week that I'm going to be wearing this unit. So next week I will be doing something different with my hair, and I will be letting you know what I decide later on. I'll probably be wearing another unit after this. The outfit I have on today, I have on this brown dress, and it's extremely long. It's like to the ankle long, almost dragging the floor along when I don't have on heels actually. So I decided to wear it today, and I've worn it once before. I think I wore it with red once before, and I may have worn it with green, like a Christmas green, I think. But this time I decided to wear it with yellow. So today I have on yellow accessories. I actually have on a brown belt. I didn't wear a yellow belt. I have on a brown belt, which you'll see in pictures at the end of this video. I don't have on any earrings at all because you can't see them anyway, but I had some yellow earrings. I may or may not put them on, I'm not sure, but like I said, you can't see them anyway because my hair is covering my ears, so I don't have on any. The necklace I have on, I purchased at It's Fashion Metro, and y'all know yellow is my color, so if I see something yellow and I think it's cute, I'm going to purchase it, pretty much. So this is the necklace that I purchased. It's a yellow floral, like flower necklace. And I decided to put it on with this yellow bracelet that I have. The bracelet I purchased at Burlington Coat Factory a while ago. I also have on this yellow ring, the one that I had on in the nail art video. This is the one that my sister actually purchased for me. She probably got it at her local beauty supply store. And this is another one that my sister actually got me. It has yellow crystals in it as well. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not. I'm not quite sure where she got that one from either. And I also have this yellow bracelet on this hand. This bracelet I think I purchased at It's Fashion Metro. It has a necklace and some earrings to go to it. I'm not wearing the necklace or the earrings this morning, but the earrings are nothing more than some dangle earrings, and it has the kind of clear yellow charm on it that's hanging from it. That's all the earrings was. And the necklace just has like some yellow beads on it, and it has like some little silver chains. It's a 2-layer chain. Like I said, I decided not to wear it today. The shoes and purse that I'm taking today, first off the purse, this is the handbag. I purchased this handbag off Amazon. I can't remember when, but it was like last year I think sometime. And I purchased it because I was going to bling a Tweety bird on the front of it, but I hadn't did it yet. And I'm not sure if I'm still going to do it. I still may, I'm not sure. But this is the handbag. It's a really large handbag. I really like it. Kind of somewhat of a soft handbag, or somewhat, not extremely soft, but kind of soft handbag. And the shoes that I'm wearing, excuse me, I think I'm coming down with the cold, I think. I hope not, but I'm crossing my fingers that it just pass away. That's what I'm hoping. But the shoes that I'm wearing today are these. These are some that I received. I can't remember the company's name, but they sent them to me to do a review on. And I picked yellow because, like I said, yellow is my favorite color. And I plan on actually blinging these shoes out later on. And I'm probably going to keep them yellow all over. I hadn't really decided yet, but we'll see. But these are supposedly some Christian Louboutins. Like I said, I'm not sure if these are original or low end or what, but that's what's on the inside of them. And they have a red bottom. I've worn them quite a few times actually, and they're like a yellow suede material. But I decided to wear them today with the yellow. Everything else is brown except for my necklace, my shoes, my bracelets, and my purse. Everything else is brown, and that's the only thing that I have is yellow on today. So yeah, so that is basically it for this video. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.